So yo, is it running good? Is it running same? Yeah.
Running much better now.
Well, this stator is brand new, so maybe it's regenerating more power, right?
Yeah. He works squad.
Yeah, man. He works squad, man. Crazy thing, mad thing out here, mad thing, Broski. The man them is happy. Yo, what's the Broski? Boom boom, eh?
Yeah.
Yo, you wanna drop? The man said boom boom.
So slippery, man. Let me do a drive-by with you guys.
Yeah? You ready? You wanna go for a race again, broski? Watch your stand, put your stand up. Alright, bro, yo.
He works squad number 1.
Yes, sir. You work squad number 1. Take it easy, bro. Man said he wanted to race again, broski. Yo, man said he wanted to race again. Let's go. Yo, the man said he wanted to goddamn race again. Let's go. Okay, broski, let's go. Let's do it. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, go. You go. Holy fuck, this guy. Oh. Yo, I want to go in there. Pop all wheelie, broski. You see that? Folks could get the guys on the bike up and running again. They're so goddamn happy. They don't even want to go home. Yo, these guys are crazy rider, man. Go, okay, alright, broski, alright. Man so happy does he want to go home. Yo, it's holy fuck. Yo, the man God, bro. You was getting my bike up and running. The man so goddamn happy. Does he want to go home? Man God, broski. Can't find him, man. Guys, you know what? You won't squad and get the hell out of here, man. Peace out, guys.